I am so glad that you are here on my channel because today I am doing a review video for a company called Javy Coffee. I'm so excited. When they reached out to me, they knew that I was a coffee lover apparently, because they said, would you like some free coffee and to do a review video on it? Duh. I definitely want some coffee. So honestly, just got it. And I just opened it. I haven't taken anything out of the box. And I am unboxing this today. And I've got a couple recipes today that I am going to try using this Javy Coffee Concentrate. Here it is. This one bottle makes 30 cups of coffee. And I have been watching them on Instagram ever since they reached out to me. And I am very curious to try this and see how amazing this is. I've heard raving reviews about this product, and I'm excited to give this a go today. So today I'm going to try to make something festive and creative with this for Christmas. I just thought I would give it a go to try to make something a little bit more fancier as far as a coffee drink is concerned. So I'm going to give this a go. But they also sent me this here. It has their, I'm holding it upside down for you guys. It's got their logo on it, Javy. And their Instagram, I will try to link everything down below, their website, everything, so that if you are wanting to order from them, you can. So this is very nice. These are the reusable straws. These are very pretty. And I think there's a second one in there. Yeah. These are very, very handy, especially if you drink iced coffee. And we also have the wand to clean them with, which is fantastic, because have you ever had straws that you wish that you could clean? This makes it so much easier, right? So that is a fantastic thing to have on hand. So today I am going to try to make something peppermint for Christmas. I'm also filming today my, Decorate With Me for Christmas. So I'm getting in the holiday spirit. I noticed that a lot of things online that was made with the Javy coffee was pumpkin, but I want to get away from the pumpkin. I know it's still fall time. We had Thanksgiving early, as you all know. And so now I'm getting festive and in the mood for some Christmas. So we're going to try to make a California walnut coffee brownie today using the Javy coffee, and we are going to make some kind of peppermint mocha drink that I know that's probably going to be really, really good. So we better get started, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think about the Javy coffee concentrate. We are in my kitchen, and now I'm going to make the California walnut coffee brownies. I came up with this idea, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to give this a go and see if this works. I had kind of got the idea from some other recipes that I had looked at to kind of make a coffee brownie for those of us that absolutely love that coffee flavor. I love the way, like if I could buy candles, coffee scented, I would be so down with it, because I absolutely love coffee that much. So I thought how wonderful this would smell baking in my oven, right? So what I'm using is I'm to cheat with a little bit, is a Duncan Hines California Walnut Brownie box mix. And on the back, you will see where it will give you the choice whether or not you would like to make a cake style brownie or a fudgy brownie. Now I like, and Ronnie likes, my husband, loves a good fudgy brownie. So that's what we're gonna go with. So in my brownie mix is 1/4 of water here, 1/4 cup. And then we're gonna do 1/4 a cup of oil. This is just vegetable oil. I did use just a smidge too much there, but it's there. Never hurt anything. I'm going to give this a good swirl, and then I'm going to add in 1 large egg, but I'm going to use 2 eggs because my eggs are not large. They're actually small. So I'm going to get to the refrigerator. Crack some eggs in here. Look at that. There we go. I'm going to just break up those eggs in this brownie mix. Get this good and combined. I'm using a wooden spoon to combine all of this as of now, but when I go to put it in my 9x13 pan, I will use a spatula. That way I can scrape the sides of the bowl and release all of that chocolate. Now we're going to add in our Javy Coffee concentrate, and I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon. Ooh, this coffee is strong. It smells phenomenal. Never done this before. So, there we go. Oh, it smells really good. Really, really, really good. Get me a towel here. Oh, yeah. I think that's going to be a winner. Just by the smell of it. Now I've got a glass 9x13. I'm going to spray it with some vegetable oil. I am going to put my chocolate mixture right into the pan. I'm going to set my oven according to the directions on the box and bake these until they are done. You're staring into my small saucepan, and inside here I have 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Now all that you want to do to make a homemade peppermint syrup is really, really easy. We're just going to bring this up to a really generous kind of boil. We're going to let this boil. It will get, see how it's milky now, but as it cooks it will become clear. And then I'm going to allow it to boil for about a minute. And then I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of my mint extract. And you will have homemade peppermint syrup. Now I have removed my coffee syrup that I made, my peppermint syrup. And then I just put 2.5 cups of whole milk right into my saucepan so I don't have to dirty up anymore. This is well heated. You probably can see the steam coming from it. And now I'm going to add in my Javy Coffee concentrate right into it, just about a tablespoon. I'm going to stir that together. I'm going to put about a teaspoon in each cup of the peppermint syrup. And then I'm simply going to garnish with whipped cream. And I am going to put in our pretty straws. I'm going to do the other one, and then we're going to test try Javy Coffee. So I just got out of the kitchen. I didn't even take my apron off, but we are going to try our peppermint mochas made with the Javy Coffee. Honey, you want to do the honors first?
I will. You know, I tell you,
You try it.
Awful good with
we'll try it together.
Ready?
I like it.
It is wonderful. It is
That
very
is good.
great. The aroma and the taste both is wonderful. It's got a
real
wonderful
good.
flavor. I'm very impressed, honey.
You like it?
I do. I'm very impressed. That is.
And for the first time ever using this product, I have to say, I really added just sort of the perfect amount to this drink. It's actually really good.
It's very good. It's got a nice rich. It's got a nice rich taste.
Mm-hmm.
But
It's
yeah,
real
it's
good.
not too.
Now we have to try the brownies I made. Can you guys see those? Ooh.
Is this the California walnut brownie?
Mm-hmm. I'm going to break one in two and just give you a little piece for you to try first, okay?
All right.
All right. There you go.
Oh my! I love that.
That is good too.
That is excellent.
You can taste the coffee, but it's not overpowering the chocolate.
Right.
That is good.
Let's have another piece.
We're gonna be running the block this evening. That's really good. I like it. Good enough.
We need yeah.
If he asks for seconds, it means it is really good. That's what I've learned with him. So if he asks for seconds, you know that it's really good.
I think it's very good. I'm impressed with
Me too.
I'm impressed with the taste of everything. I think the company done a marvelous job.
I want to say thank you to Javy Coffee for reaching out to me to allow me to try such a exceptional product. I highly recommend it to each and every one of you. It's really easy to use. It's versatile for iced coffees, mochas, baking. It is really, really, really delicious. You know what I thought about was coffee ice cream. I bet it'd be really good. But we want to...
With the walnuts, right?
Yeah, you could put walnuts in it. We want to thank you guys so much for joining us here on Kiddo's Corral. Thank you, Javy Coffee, again.
Very much. I tell you, this boy really enjoyed that.
You enjoyed that, didn't you?
Yes.
And I tell you, Ronnie being blind, I'll let you in on a secret. If he doesn't like something, he'll tell the truth because his taste is 10 times ours. Like, he knows when something tastes good, don't you?
Oh, most definitely. And you know what? Being the first time, this is
it's good.
This is very good. Javy, you've done a wonderful job. I hope you'll continue to send us some more things to sample.
Well, now that I've had my energy boost, I'm going to go put up the Christmas tree. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for joining in. And let me know if you tried Javy Coffee. Thanks so much for watching, guys. And if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I love to have you part of our channel because it's our channel, me and Ronnie Lee here. And thank you, baby, for trying the food. I love you.
I love you too. Do you have another piece?
Yeah, as soon as I turn this video camera off, you can eat it all. Bye, guys.